lot. What a beautiful night. Let me show you how the roads look. It's like 9:40 downtown Toronto. Nobody wants to be outside except crazy dancers who love dance more than being worried getting stuck in the snow, I guess. The weather today, yesterday was the big snowstorm. It actually did snow quite a lot. So yeah, like people are cleaning, not a lot of people on the road, and I went to a store as a break just to look at things, and then I had a beautiful, delicious croissant that you guys can see. It was recommended to me, and it had so much egg. It was so good. I'm still like thinking about it. And that was basically my day. And since I've been constantly changing my diet and changing my routine, I'm just constantly exhausted as well. So I'm sorry for the low energy. Good morning. I'm squinting because I forgot to take off my contacts, even though they're the type that you're allowed to sleep in. Very dry. So I stopped drinking caffeine, so I've been waking up so early, like even earlier than my wake up time, which is like 5:25-ish. Yeah, I've been waking up like now it's before 5 a.m. and I want to drive Uber because I think it's the best time. It's honestly the best time. Anyway, I'm gonna get started with my day because I'm awake. I'm still trying to get my diet the way I want it. Ideally, I want to wait until lunch to like drink and eat, but I think I might start earlier just because I'm still adjusting. And yeah, like kicking caffeine for 3-4 days like really did something magical to my sleeping schedule, so I have to continue it and maybe just drink it once a week or something. I'm usually really bad at like getting going very early in the morning, and I find like this is something I miss about like a corporate job where like you have to get up and you have to go because people are expecting you to show up at a certain place. So yeah, this is something I kind of have to push myself to do, and I'm not always so disciplined. I started having these lights on like all the time. It's kind of good because there's always light, but at the same time like it's never really that dark, which is not bad, but really ideally it should be dark, right, to sleep. So like I fall asleep in my clothes because I'm so tired. I'm not used to the schedule that I have right now. I'm not used to it, so it'll take some time. You're just looking suspicious. Yeah, it'll take some time to... It's time to feed the cat. I got this for her. It's not the best one, but I gotta shop around to find better ones. So, starting my shift at 6 a.m. I've started doing this since yesterday, and I did it a couple of times before, but I haven't gotten into like a regular early morning routine just because I don't like normally wake up that early. But yeah, it's really good. It's honestly the best time to do it. in my opinion, like for me. I mean, also there's other busy times, but I think this is a great way to get up early and get your work done and then do other stuff. I ordered that one. I guess I didn't. I thought they were gonna make it, but no. I'm going to the mall because I need to use my jacket, and also I need to buy a couple of things. So let's go. And after I might get a coffee. I haven't had coffee in almost 5 days. So, or any caffeine, anything with caffeine at all. Like even small amounts of caffeine. I haven't even had decaf coffee. But I think I might have coffee. But I'm not sure because maybe I want to continue the streak. So we'll see. Hello. So I went to different mall and I got some things. It's like garbage bags, and finally I got stuff for my contact lenses. I got contact lens stuff and just stuff to clean my clothes with. So yeah, now I'm going home. I'm having a coffee. I think I'll have maybe caffeine once a week at this point. But yeah, it's been really great not having coffee, but I find I'll really crave junk food. So I had croissants the last 2 days, and today I had one with like a lot of cheese, and that really bloated me. So really, I really need to avoid dairy, but I just love cheese. So here's my lovely coffee. I have 2 teas from the morning, and yeah. But I had to have it. It actually doesn't taste as good as like I remember coffee tasting, because I guess the addiction has passed. Guess who's here? Hi. I thought you were gonna sit down. What happened?
In fact, it's packed with such a ginormous amount of vast and substantial care that's bursting with even more whoppingly humongous and colossal care. You might be a little surprised when we tell you that all of that
just
care
have to wait
is
for
in the
people
palm of your
because
hand.
they can't
With the 𝓛𝓸𝓿𝓮 Insurance mobile app, you'll get a big hand with 24/7 paper-free access to all of your home and auto policies, including your digital pink slip. Get insurance that's really big on care at 𝓛𝓸𝓿𝓮.com/care.
But I'm finally accepting that as the reality of the store. I went to the grocery store and I got baba ganoush that's like half price, and it's so good because it expires today, but I don't care. And I made an egg. I love eggs. There's Miss Princess and second princess scratching her face off, of course. Oh my god. Hi. Hi, little princess. Would you like a second dinner? She actually finished her dinner today, and I'm having second dinner. Well, not dinner, I guess second meal. Back to scratching. Yes, scratch. Oh. Yeah, that's our day. Okay, guys, I will give you treats. You want some treats? You want treats? Is your reaction? Slide in my hands. Stretching. Okay. Yes. Okay. Recording a video for Lancôme, and then now I want to go wash my car and I want to get dessert. I'm really craving dessert. Since I've quit drinking coffee and I had coffee yesterday, I find like I don't actually like drinking coffee that much, and yeah, it made me feel a bit jittery, and I thought, you know, I really should stop because I really don't feel that good having it, and maybe I should have it only once in a while, like even more early. But I guess I am craving some caffeination because I'm craving like a matcha puff. So yeah, but now like I feel like I just want some kind of food or dessert. So I'm getting ready to go get some dessert, and then maybe I'll wash my car and vacuum it, or at least vacuum it, because I'm kind of annoyed with the way it looks. Actually, I'm gonna, I think, wipe it down right now, because yeah, it's getting dirty and it's kind of bothering me. So let's go. It's so much snow. We had a crazy storm recently, so super dirty. I mean, it doesn't look like that bad. It feels really bad. It feels really okay. I got it. This is the closest that I found to the ones I tried in New York. They're really being obsessed about these puffs because I love like cream stuff and matcha. So I got one that's jasmine and one that's matcha. Matcha is my favorite, but I forgot what jasmine tastes like. I think I've tried it. I'll find out. So excited. They don't look like as good as they taste. But anyway, my decaf coffee, little fake milk. Yum yum. Oops. I like this one because it has added like sugar and stuff. I find sometimes the healthy ones are just like too healthy. And so this has natural cane sugar, salt, natural flavors, which I think is the aromatizer here. Little princess. Yes. And look who else is here. Other little princess. Hi. So this is the matcha. I already ate the jasmine one. So it turns out I love jasmine. Actually, it's so good. And there was even a little jasmine flower baked into it somehow. So yeah. Yum. 12/21 or 12/12. Well, today is the 21st of February. Just a second. Hi, Sunny. The angel numbers say that you will always have ground underneath your feet, and things will turn out even better than you could have ever imagined. And I repeat this to myself pretty much every day because it's been really tough for me living with loss and grief, something I did not expect coming. I did not expect it, I did not believe it, and it already happened. And every day I wake up thinking, hoping that maybe this nightmare is over, and then I wake up and it's not, and then I just want to go back to sleep, because at least there I can see her. so it's been really hard. Oh, look at Sunny. And there's me. Hi. She's so cute.